she go kill off the man. And that is no joke thing, Ayaflex. It's a wicked girl. We don't see how the man a come from work. I work
because we tell Charlie Quite so when he come back
Ayaflex, I'm talking like Ayaflex, you don't know. Ayaflex, I go down to Sean's work today. And Sean and his son at work. And if you sit down closely and look at Sean's face, the man is a sick man. The man
me tell him look while when he come in.
He is taking antibiotic and all those things. He need rest. This girl is a wicked girl. I mean, no care, she don't want to like me, me don't want Karen like me. But the truth is to be told. I pay stress you put on the man, but because Sean's so naive, I in a Sean head that she going. Ayaflex, take me down. I mean, don't want to lose it.
Alright, Miss Alice.
Get up and go buy the grocery, the man come off of the bed. And go help the man just a come from work.
Yes, I'm gonna answer you.
You don't need to answer me. You don't need to answer me.
I'm gonna answer you, Miss Ellis.
Okay.
As you see me sit down, I'm contented. I whip on the food for go and cook for food. Eat.
Hello, where you live? Hold on. Where you live? As you come out of your door, there's a supermarket right there. Right as you come out of your door, there's a supermarket. Why didn't you go to the supermarket and buy? So the man can come from work.
You need to
As you come out of your house, the supermarket is right there. You're a wicked girl, man. I mean, I still because Ayaflex, you know where she live, Ayaflex. There's a big supermarket right where the taxi.
I know supermarket I to go by bridge.
The supermarket is right there, not even a minute from where she live. And you tell me to Shana go work the money, and when they come, this girl sit down and tackle the whole of the man money.
Since like you want me to catch water. You say me can't carry water.
I agree with you, no problem. But cook the man food when the man.
No, she has said, Karen, she has said you could have stopped at the supermarket when you come over the road instead of make Sean come and go to the supermarket. You understand?
Ayaflex, you see, I'm also the end of the say, they got a tank, you know. The tank was on top of the house top. And then walk, we left everything. And I'm planning to buy a tank back for them, but because of Sean's sake. But when me think about this lazy girl, I got benefit from all of that. Me change my mind. That's why I do no wedding for them. I want to see Sean come home and get him dinner. And if she's not doing that, me I put her out. Sean need and people.